Minimalist concrete homes have redefined modern architecture, but when paired with a dramatic black concept, they reach a whole new level of sophistication. This fusion of strength and elegance creates an environment that is both powerful and serene. Black, often seen as bold and mysterious, enhances the raw beauty of concrete, transforming a home into a timeless sanctuary of style and innovation. A minimalist concrete home thrives on contrast, and black provides the perfect counterbalance to its raw textures. The smooth, polished finish of black walls against the rugged surface of exposed concrete adds depth and dimension. Whether through matte finishes or glossy surfaces, black elements emphasize the geometric purity of minimalist design, making every line, shadow, and texture a statement of modern sophistication. A black minimalist concrete house stands like a sculptural work of art against its surroundings. The deep, moody tones absorb light differently throughout the day, creating a living facade that evolves with nature. Large glass openings framed in black metal enhance the visual drama, allowing glimpses of the interior while maintaining an air of mystery. At night, strategic lighting highlights the structure's architectural beauty, making it a glowing masterpiece in the dark. Inside, the interplay between black and concrete continues to shape an atmosphere of understated luxury. Dark walls, ceilings, or built-in furniture create a cocoon-like ambience, offering a sense of calm and retreat. Soft lighting and natural textures, such as warm wood and stone, prevent the space from feeling overwhelming. The result is a home that feels deeply personal, bold yet inviting, minimal yet rich in character. In a minimalist concrete home with a black concept, furniture plays a crucial role in balancing the space. Sleek black sofas, sculptural chairs, and dark-toned tables create cohesion without excess. Soft furnishings in muted grays and earthy neutrals provide subtle warmth. The careful placement of reflective surfaces, such as metallic accents or glass, prevents the space from feeling too heavy, ensuring a refined and harmonious aesthetic. While black and concrete can create a bold presence, natural light is the key to maintaining openness. Expansive windows, skylights, and glass doors bring in daylight, softening the dark tones with ever-changing shadows. The play of light on textured concrete walls adds depth and movement, making the space feel dynamic rather than static. This thoughtful balance keeps the home visually engaging and endlessly inspiring. A minimalist concrete home with a black aesthetic seamlessly integrates outdoor living. Black stone patios, dark wood decks, and monolithic concrete planters extend the design beyond the walls, creating a natural flow between indoors and outdoors. Landscaping with lush greenery or minimalist rock gardens provides a striking contrast, proving that nature and modern architecture can coexist in perfect harmony. Despite its bold aesthetic, a black minimalist concrete home fosters a sense of peace and contemplation. The deep, rich tones absorb distractions, creating a meditative environment where every element serves a purpose. Whether used for relaxation, creativity, or intimate gatherings, the space embodies a perfect balance of strength and serenity. It is not just a home, it is an experience, a statement of individuality and artistic expression. minimalist concrete house with a dramatic black touch is more than an architectural choice. It is a vision of modern living that embraces contrast, depth, and refinement. It is for those who appreciate the beauty of simplicity but refuse to blend into the ordinary. By merging bold design with minimalist principles, this style proves that darkness can be just as luminous as light when crafted with intention and creativity.